In room 4012, 78-year-old John Doe, male, full code status, allergic to indomethacin, has a chief complaint of weakness, passed out at home, was admitted to the ER on March 3rd. ER labs showed AKI on CKD and pancytopenia. He has a history of hypertension, CAD, PAD, hyperlipidemia, and prostate cancer. He has a past procedure for angioplasty of the left lower extremity and a CABG. His last vitals were 97.9 temp, 62 pulse, 18 respiration, BP was 155/57, 94% O2 on room air. It has a right antecubital and left posterior hand 20 gauge IV site. An MRA conducted on the 4th of March showed severe stenosis of the right carotid with an occlusion on the right vertebra at C2 level. He had an MRI on March 4th, showed bilateral renal cysts. His labs are currently BUN at 24, creatinine at 1.7, EGFR 41, 10 anion gap, 7.6 calcium. His white blood cells are 1.18, hemoglobin 7.5, hematocrit 22, 60 PT, 19.3 monocytes. His absolute neutrophils are 0.52, lymphocytes at 0.42, absolute monocytes at 0.23, eosinophils at 0.02, and basophils at 0. His red blood cell count is 2.2. His MCVs are 100. MCH is 34.1. His Eliquis, aspirin, and losartan are on hold because he has a bone biopsy ordered for tomorrow. His allopurinol was given at 0.800. His atorvastatin was given at 0.800. B12 and potassium were also given at 0.800. His ciftraxone was given at 810. And his fluticasone was given at 8:09. Omeprazole was given at 9 a.m. and his metoprolol was given at 9:34. That is all. Thank you.